Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about the terms which were there in the refraction chapter. In the same way, we learned about the different types of the medium. That is the rarer medium as well as the denser medium. A rarer medium is the medium in which the light travels fastly. Denser medium is the medium in which the light travels slowly. And here also we learn the ray diagrams which were there when the light travels from the rarer to denser and denser to rarer. Okay, children. In the last class we learned about the ray diagrams when the light ray travels from rarer to denser and denser to the rarer. Okay, children. Today we will be learning about one more topic called as the refractive index. Refractive index. Okay, refractive index. Okay, refractive index. What do you mean by this refractive index? Refractive index, or it is also called as the absolute refractive index. Okay, normally this refractive index is defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Okay, normally refractive index is defined as the ratio of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. Then what type of medium it is? Means it can be of any medium. That means comparison of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium is called as a refractive index. Then what do you mean by vacuum? Normally you will be seeing about the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner means vacuum means nothing is present. Normally in the atmosphere many gases are present. In the air is a mixture of gases, oxygen, nitrogen, okay, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, like that, many of the gases. Therefore here air is a mixture of the gases. Therefore here vacuum means no air is present. No air means no gas, nothing gas is present, nothing is present, and that is called as the vacuum. Normally the light travels very fastly in the vacuum than any other medium. Normally light, already we learned that light can travel in the vacuum, and in the same way it is also travel in the medium. That means it can travel in any of the medium, and light also can travel in the absence of the medium, that is the vacuum. Normally, whereas when we come to the sound compulsory it needs the medium. Okay, sound cannot travel in the vacuum. Compulsory sound needs the medium, children. Okay, but whereas the light, it can travel in the vacuum as well as it can travel in the medium. Okay, light can travel in the vacuum as well as it can travel in the medium. Okay, therefore comparison, that means how the speed of the light travels. Comparison of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. That means comparing of any speed of any medium, speed of the light in any medium with the respect to the speed of the light in the vacuum. That is called as a what? Refractive index. Normally refractive index is denoted by the letter N. N is equal to C by V. C means nothing but speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum. Whereas the V means speed of light in medium. Speed of light. Okay. N is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. Whereas here C is the speed of light in vacuum, and here V is the speed of the light in the medium. Okay, children. N is the what? Refractive index. Normally N is equal to C by V. Then what is the value of the C? That means here C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That means here 3 into 3 lakhs kilometer per hour, or we can write it as what? 3 lakhs kilometer per hour. Okay, 3 lakhs kilometer per hour. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, or 3 lakhs kilometer per hour is the, okay, it is the what speed of light in the vacuum. It is a constant value. That means constant means here always it is constant, means same value. C value will be the same. Okay, in any vacuum C value is the same. That means C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. But whereas the speed of the light in a different medium will be different. Speed of light in different medium will be different, children. Okay, here refractive index means the ratio of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium, where we represent the speed of the refractive index with n is equal to C by V, where C is the speed of the light in vacuum and V is the speed of the light in the medium. C value is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, normally, okay, here the refractive index of the, okay, the refractive index of air, refractive index of air is equal to 1.0003. okay, 1.0003 is the speed of the light. Okay, it is the refractive index of air, 1.0003. okay, like that. The refractive index of air is 1.0003. The refractive index of water is 1.33. Refractive index of water is 1.33. Like that we'll be getting of the refractive index. Normally, if we can able to find the speed of the light. Okay, we can able to find the speed of the light of any medium when we know the what? Refractive index. Normally the refractive index of air 1.0003. okay, ice 1.31, water 1.33, kerosene 1.44. okay, in the same way, like that we'll be having of many medium. In the many medium we'll be having of the what? Refractive indices, refractive index. Normally we can able to find the speed of the light of any medium when we know this refractive index. When we know the refractive index, we can able to find the speed of the light of any medium. Normally, how to find the speed of the light in any medium? Normally here, let us take an example. A problem. Find the velocity of light in water when its refractive index. What is the refractive index of water? Is 1.33. Therefore here normally n is equal to C by V. We know the value of C. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Always the velocity will be in the meter per second. Okay, now n is given 1.33. C also we know that is C is constant, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 8 meter per second. It is the speed velocity of water. Velocity of water is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 1.33. That is equal to 3 into 3 by 1.33 into 10 to the power of 8. That we can write it as 3 by 133 by 100 into 10 to the power of 8. That is, okay, 300 by 133 into 100. That is, we get 2.25 into 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, therefore the velocity of water is how much? 2.25 into 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, children, like that we can able to find the we can able to find the velocity of light in any of the medium whenever when we know the speed of the light, whenever when we know the refractive index. If we know the refractive index, we can able to find the speed of the light, and if we know the speed of the light, we can able to find the refractive index. Okay, normally just you see another problem. Find the velocity of light in benzene. Find the velocity of light in benzene. If its refractive index is 1.50. Okay, 1.50. N is equal to 1.50. Is asking to find out the velocity of benzene, velocity of light in benzene. Okay, therefore here normally N is equal to C by V. C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by V. Here N is 1.50 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by V. Here V is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by 1.50. 1.50 twos are, therefore 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is the velocity of light in the benzene. Okay, here we got this velocity of light in benzene as 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, in the same way, whenever when we are having of this velocity of light is given, when the velocity of light is given, we can able to find the refractive index. Okay, children, just you see. Okay, normally one more problem. Find the refractive index. Find the refractive index of water when its velocity of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. See here, velocity of water is given 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. See here, N he is asking. We don't know. Here, to find this one, N is equal to C by V. C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 8 cancel. That is 3 by 225 by 100. That is equal to 300 by 225. Normally, when we solve it, we get 1.33. Okay, here, what are the units of this refractive index then? There are no units for the refractive index. There are no units for the refractive index. Okay, children? The remaining we'll be learning in the next class. Thank you.